Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, turbocharged, tow hitch, heated mirrors, chrome wheels, daytime running lights, fog lamps, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, tires, front all-terrain. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.